Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by assembling parts quickly so you can start building. Grab a 3V LED module, a 3V driver, a blade switch, and a 1/2 wooden base. Drill a 12 mm hole in the center for wiring, then sand until smooth so the petals sit flush. Strip about 5 mm from 2 wires and tin the ends to prevent fray. Testing the LED with a 3V supply now confirms polarity. Once done, mount the driver inside the base and secure with hot glue to fix position. Now you shape and install the tulip shell while wiring the light. Form 6 translucent petals and overlap each with a 2 mm seam, gluing from the inner ring so gaps are hidden. Route the LED leads through the base hole and solder red to positive and black to negative on the 3V driver. Make sure to insulate solder joints with heat shrink or tape. Position the LED centrally, then press petals around it so each is angled to diffuse light evenly. Clamp briefly until the glue sets to maintain symmetry. Finish by sealing, testing, and preparing for use. Apply a thin epoxy bead to the base seam and around the wiring hole. Once cured, sand smooth and paint or stain the base if desired to match. Install the blade switch and connect your battery or USB power source, then test for steady illumination and correct brightness. Make sure the petals are secure and centered. If something goes wrong, check solder joints first. A loose or cold joint causes flicker, so reflow and clean contacts before replacing power.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.